Hi, this is Adam with AdvancedDimensions.com. I'm going to do an unboxing video for the tablets for the ICS20 and the ICS50. So if you're watching or you're keeping track of things, I just posted a video for the ICS50 unit. We did a whole unboxing with all the accessories. I did leave out the tablet though because I wanted to give you some options here, because there are some options when it comes to the tablet. So right here I have the Leica, still getting used to the name here, is the CSX8 tablet. This is a field tablet. They actually use this for other units. It's not just for the ICS20 and the ICS50. It is for other trade units that they have, but they have made this so that you can use it with the ICS50 and 20. And then I have the Leica Tab Active4 Pro, which is the other tablet that Leica has specified you can utilize with the ICS20 and the 50. This is one they've actually gone through and they've tested it and they've verified that it works. All other tablets, there is one other one, but we can't find it, but all other tablets are not supported. So if you call and you're like, hey, I'm using the whatever Android tablet, if it's not one of these two tablets, it's not supported. So we're going to be selling the Leica Active Tab 4, and we're also going to be selling the Leica tablet. So whichever one you're interested in, just let us know. The Leica tablet does have a price tag of $2,350 versus the Active Tab 4, which I think is like $650 or change or so. So definitely a little bit of a difference there, but let's start with this Leica tablet. So the case looks pretty decent. It's got ICS, a little scratched, but pretty standard. There we go. Got some cool, nice foam rubber smell. And here's our tablet. So you can actually see it is a smaller tablet. So the screen is only, I think, like 8 inches. Has a protective film there. I'll leave that. It's got some buttons on the side, some quick buttons on the side. It does have a USB-B and it's got a USB-C. These are all in like watertight seals. So this is made so you can work outside with it. It does have a camera in the back. And then it has a locked battery compartment. So if you just unlock these, kind of pop it off, it will, oh, I might have locked them. Yep, I locked them. Unlock them and it'll pop off, and then it's got a spot where the battery goes. Obviously they're not shipping it with the battery, but that's what that does. And then when it locks, it gives you a nice seal. So you're gonna have the ability to work outside. So that's pretty decent. Let's see what else we got going on. Oh, looks like it has a strap here. So this will strap on the corners, whichever corner best, and then it gives you a spot to put your hand in. Kind of nice. Take that off. Okay, and then the next, looks like it's just an onion, you're just unpeeling it. So here we got USB-B to USB-C. This is our charging port. This has got just a normal charger. It's a quick charge. And this one's got a connection for US. They also actually have connections for all the other parts of the world too. So you got some options there. And then the last bit is the quick start guide. A little bit bigger than the other ones because there's tablet information there. And then we got a battery. So the battery, they say, will last about the whole day. I've used it for about 7 hours and it was about halfway gone. So the whole day makes sense to me. So this is the Leica tablet. One thing I was going to show you is the connection with the part that mounts it to either the tripod or the pole. Right now, this is set up to accept the Leica tablet, so I'll just show you kind of how this works. The first time I'm doing it, so bear with me. So this, I think goes like this. It just clamps onto the leg. Pretty straightforward. And then this, I think I did it backwards though. This goes like this. Yeah, I did it backwards. And then this pops in, and I know that because there's little like teeth there, and there's little teeth on this side. So this pops in here and tightens up, and then it locks into place. And now I can take this and actually mount it to my tripod, and I don't have to hold the tablet. And this locks too, so you can make it so it's not pulling out. Fantastic, that's so fantastic. I wish I had that ability with some of the other stuff. And I know when you want to pop it out or you want to take it out, this just pops out. So if you need to move around with it, you can. And if not, you can click it in place. So cool design. Same thing applies for the pole. And it's just a matter of switching to this adapter instead. So the case, though, I'm going to show you this. The case. So these rubber feet are for this particular tablet. And then there's other rubber feet. I think one of them's for, I think they made them for each of the tablets. So the other one's for the Samsung. It fits it very well. And then this case did not come with this tablet. This case actually came with the ICS50 kit. But this will hold the Leica tablet, but actually is big enough to hold the Samsung one too. So now, let's go through this. That is a little bit smaller of a package. It's a Samsung, works very well. I actually found that I like this one a whole lot better than the Leica tablet. So personally, I would recommend this one based off of my experience. I haven't tried it for like a day though, so that's the only thing that I would need to try to see the battery life. So has some tape on the bottom, and there we go. This one is more of a, that phone feel. Where you got the case. So it says Samsung. This is not the tablet actually. This is cool. This is like a case. Because it's that active tab, they made a separate case for it. So it comes with a case, which is really cool. So we got another one of these that I was playing with, so this is fun to unwrap without trying to rip it. So this is really just the case. Cool thing with this that I like more than the Leica tablet is it's kind of penned. And that pen is really nice for when you want to do some detail work. It's got a spot for your camera to go through, everything's protected for buttons. It's a little hard to push it in there, but once it gets in there, it's solid. And then this is the tablet. I'll look at that in a second. Underneath is just the charging cables. So this actually has a fast charger, Samsung fast charger. And it's got a USB, I think it's B to C. So great for charging. I actually was charging it with my iPhone charger just fine. And then it's got a battery. So this battery is a little bit thinner. It's got a quick start guide, quick start guide in there as well. This battery is a little bit thinner. This tablet's actually a little bit thinner. So let's see what it looks like. So again, it's got that same like interesting material on it. This tablet feels, it's probably about the same weight, but it's a bigger screen. Seems like it's faster. There it is. It's just got 3 buttons, much bigger screen. You can kind of see the difference here. So you got there to there versus there. So it's a lot more real estate to be looking at. It's a lot thinner, even with the case, it's a lot thinner. It's a camera. It's actually got a pretty hardy feel to it, just by itself, without everything else. But the added case is actually kind of nice. So, and then this just pops off, and the battery goes in there. And so I didn't do my last one, so. This is made to work, you know, in tough situations too, so it's got a seal in there. And then the battery just aligns. It looks like you can put a micro SD card in this as well if you wanted to expand your memory or your storage. So that's kind of nice. And then this just pops back on. And then touch everything. And then this just pops in. So we got camera there. And once it's in, like I said, it takes a second to pop in. But once it's in, it's solid. Yikes. I think I had my assistant do my last one. Maybe it goes the other way. Let's try it. Yeah, I think there's more stretch this way, so this makes a little bit more sense. There we go. So this pops in, and now you have a really decent tablet. And like I said before in the other video, all that changes here is you pull these two screws out, and this whole portion slides down, and this pops off. And one of these guys fits this tablet side. So this just fits. Oh, not that one. So it just fits, and then that's what you use. Yep. So this one, and then this just pops in. You expand this. That's still got that spring to it, and now you can hold the Samsung tablet too. So that's just kind of an unboxing walkthrough of each of the tablets. So you can see the size comparison, you can kind of see the differences between the two. You can still see that the Leica is actually a lot thicker, a little bit smaller on the footprint side of things, but a little bit thicker. But we're recommending right now, the Samsung. We're gonna do side-by-side testing some more to make sure that that's really the right thing, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. Again, I'm Adam with Advanced Dimensions. If you have any questions, one of the things that sets us apart with these tools is we actually like to use them in the field too and get a feel for how they work so that we can better support our customers. And we like to have that knowledge to help you succeed. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.